like physical speech is a qualifier necessarily for like morality or whatever, or like moral significance, but some actual nervous activity, and I don't mean just like the whatever, like the fetus like thing in the womb, that's not a qualifier for like human life. Pigs are capable of that much. Like, are you a vegetarian or do you eat meat?
No, but again, animals will never reach the level of human reason or consciousness. A human is valued because it is a human being.
And a disabled person also would.
Correct, and they're still valuable because they're a person. They're a human being.